The Amazon River, a name synonymous with adventure, mystery, and unparalleled biodiversity. This colossal river carves its way through the heart of South America, a realm of vibrant green, teeming with life. From the icy peaks of the Andes, it embarks on an epic journey. Its basin spans 9 countries, encompassing the largest rainforest on Earth. The Amazon is a lifeline, a source of sustenance. The sheer scale of the Amazon is difficult to comprehend. It carries more water than the next 10 largest rivers combined. Its flow pushes fresh water over 100 miles into the Atlantic. The Amazon River is a geographical marvel, a key artery in the circulatory system of South America. Originating as a trickle high in the Andes Mountains, it navigates a complex network of tributaries, growing into a colossal force of nature. Its basin, an area larger than the contiguous United States, cradles a rich tapestry of ecosystems. This vast watershed is characterized by its low gradient, a subtle slope that contributes to the river's languid flow, and the formation of extensive floodplains. These floodplains, inundated during the rainy season, are crucial for the Amazon's ecological balance, providing fertile ground for a plethora of plant and animal life. The river's influence extends far beyond its banks. The Amazon rainforest, a verdant expanse nourished by the river's lifeblood, plays a crucial role in regulating global climate patterns. It acts as a massive carbon sink, absorbing significant amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, making its preservation vital for the health of our planet. The Amazon River is a biodiversity hotspot teeming with an astonishing array of life. It is home to 10% of the world's known species, a kaleidoscope of colors, sounds, and scents, a testament to evolution. Beneath the water, fish species navigate channels and flooded forests. Piranhas share these waters with gentle giants like the arapaima. In the canopy, a symphony of bird calls fills the air. Vibrant macaws flit through the trees, while toucans feast on fruits and berries. Monkeys swing through the branches while sloths cling to the trees, blending seamlessly with their surroundings. The Amazon River Basin is not only a haven for wildlife but also home to a rich tapestry of indigenous cultures. For millennia, these communities have lived in harmony with the rainforest, their lives intricately intertwined with the river's ebb and flow. They are the guardians of the forest, their knowledge and traditions essential for its protection. These indigenous groups, numbering in the hundreds, each possess their own unique language, customs, and beliefs. They have developed a deep understanding of the rainforest's intricate web of life, relying on its bounty for food, medicine, and spiritual sustenance. Their traditional practices, often passed down through generations, are rooted in sustainability. They practice sustainable hunting and fishing techniques, ensuring the continued abundance of resources. Their knowledge of medicinal plants is unparalleled, providing a wealth of remedies for a range of ailments. The lungs of the planet. The Amazon rainforest, with the Amazon River as its lifeblood, plays a critical role in regulating global climate patterns. It is often referred to as the lungs of the planet due to its unparalleled ability to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen. This process, known as photosynthesis, is essential for maintaining a stable climate. The rainforest's dense vegetation acts as a massive carbon sink, storing billions of tons of carbon that would otherwise contribute to global warming. Its presence helps to mitigate the effects of climate change, making its preservation a global imperative. However, the Amazon's ability to regulate climate is under threat. Deforestation, driven by logging, agriculture, and mining, is releasing vast amounts of stored carbon back into the atmosphere, accelerating climate change. Protecting the Amazon is not just an environmental concern, it is a matter of global urgency. Secrets of the Amazon. The Amazon River and its surrounding rainforest hold countless secrets, mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Scientists and explorers have only scratched the surface of this vast and complex ecosystem, with new species and ecological interactions constantly being discovered. The Amazon River dolphin, also known as the pink river dolphin, is one such enigma. This freshwater dolphin, with its distinctive pink hue and elongated snout, is uniquely adapted to navigating the flooded forests of the Amazon. Its presence is shrouded in legend, with indigenous cultures attributing mystical powers to these creatures. Another fascinating phenomenon is the meeting of the waters, where the dark, sediment-rich waters of the Rio Negro meet the clear waters of the Amazon River. The two rivers flow side by side for several miles, their waters refusing to mix, creating a striking visual spectacle. The pink river dolphin, a unique inhabitant. The Amazon River is home to a creature as captivating as it is elusive. The pink river dolphin, also known as the boto. This freshwater dolphin, instantly recognizable by its rosy hue and elongated snout, is a testament to the unique adaptations evolution crafts in response to diverse environments. Unlike their ocean-dwelling counterparts, pink river dolphins boast incredibly flexible necks, allowing them to navigate the labyrinthine channels and flooded forests of the Amazon with ease. Their long snouts, equipped with sensitive vibrissae, act as whiskers, helping them locate prey in the murky depths. These dolphins hold a special place in the mythology of many Amazonian indigenous tribes, often featured in tales and legends. Some stories even suggest they possess the ability to shapeshift into humans and walk among us, adding an extra layer of intrigue to these fascinating creatures. Threats to the Amazon. The Amazon, once thought to be an impenetrable fortress, is facing an unprecedented onslaught of threats. Human activities driven by economic gain and short-sighted policies are pushing this vital ecosystem towards a tipping point. Deforestation, habitat loss, and climate change cast a long shadow over the future of the Amazon. The insatiable demand for timber, soy, and beef has fueled rampant deforestation. Vast swaths of rainforest are being cleared to make way for cattle ranches, soybean plantations, and logging operations. This destruction releases massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, accelerating climate change and jeopardizing the Amazon's delicate balance. Illegal gold mining, often linked to mercury pollution, poisons rivers and endangers the health of indigenous communities and wildlife alike. The construction of dams disrupts the natural flow of the Amazon, impacting fish migration patterns and flooding vast areas of forest. Conservation efforts protecting a global treasure. The fate of the Amazon rainforest is not sealed. Amidst the alarming reports of deforestation and degradation, there are glimmers of hope. Dedicated individuals, communities, and organizations are working tirelessly to protect this global treasure, recognizing its immense ecological and cultural value. Indigenous communities, the ancestral guardians of the rainforest, are at the forefront of conservation efforts. Their traditional knowledge and deep connection to the land make them invaluable stewards of the forest. Governments are beginning to recognize the need for stronger environmental policies and are implementing measures to combat deforestation and promote sustainable land use practices. International collaboration is fostering the sharing of knowledge and resources to combat illegal activities and promote responsible development. A call to action, our shared responsibility. The Amazon River, the lifeblood of an extraordinary ecosystem, faces an uncertain future. Its fate, and the fate of the countless species and cultures that depend on it, rests in our hands. Protecting the Amazon is not just a regional responsibility, it is a global imperative. We can all play a part in ensuring the survival of this vital ecosystem. By supporting sustainable practices, reducing our consumption of products linked to deforestation, and raising awareness about the plight of the Amazon, we can make a difference. The Amazon is a global treasure, a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. Let us answer its call for help, not with despair but with a renewed commitment to its protection. The time to act is now, for the sake of the Amazon, for the sake of our planet, and for generations to come.